Hi guys, Mario from Diaco's Garden Nursery. Hope you're all well. I am here at Warner's Nursery. In a moment, Andrew's going to come pick me up and we're going to be chatting all things camellias, the different varieties and a whole host of things. So let's get to it. Andrew.
G'day mate, how are you?
Good mate.
Thanks
good,
for coming out.
I want to know a little bit more about camellias, and I'll see there's a lot of different varieties, there's lots of different breeds.
There's plenty I can show you.
Yeah.
So let's go.
We're off. So Warner's, Andrew, give us the wrap.
Warner's, well, where do you start?
Oh, no.
Warner's is a 5th generation family business, large wholesale production nursery. We grow trees and shrubs and we sell a lot to independent garden centres like Diaco, our favourite customers.
Thank you.
We'll have a look in this propagation facility here. I think there's some young camellias in there.
This is where it all starts, Andrew?
This is where it all starts. This is where the magic begins.
Yeah.
Here we have a lot of Camellia sasanqua cuttings and they'll be tubed up into tubes. From that tubing process, they'll go through another 2 or 3 pot sizes to get to our saleable plants.
Yeah, so that's roughly about a 3-year process to get it to
That's it.
where you get them at a Diaco store at that.
Doesn't happen overnight.
No. So these are the Camellia japonicas.
We grow Camellia sasanquas and Camellia japonicas. These are our Camellia japonicas, so they're grown in our shade house here. This variety here, Camellia brushfield's yellow, this is our most popular Camellia japonica. Just gets covered in buds, has that lovely sort of white with the yellow center. Once they're established, they're almost bulletproof. That bushy, beautiful looking plant there is called buttons and bows. So that's a really nice, soft, icy pink. We grow that one because it just mass flowers. Each individual plant might even have 100 flowers on it. They're probably the best winter flowering shrub. Fill your garden full of colour over winter, really.
The volcano.
Even though it's Camellia japonica, we grow it out in the full sun. So that's a really bushy, strong grower. That's why we grow volcano. So once again, it performs really well in the garden.
Yeah.
That flower there, that's the perfect shape. That's that lovely informal peony type flower. They're just smothered in buds too. So they're going to flower well through the whole of winter as well.
Jennifer Susan.
We grow these varieties because they are the strongest growers and they perform the best in the garden.
Yeah.
Might be just about the toughest of all sasanquas.
Yeah.
So Jennifer Susan's a lovely one if you're looking for a nice soft pink. Here we go.
Yes.
This one's called Paradise Blush. And the beautiful thing about Paradise Blush is that lovely white flower with the slight pink edge to it.
This is the Camellia Setsugeka.
Our best-selling camellia over the last 70 years.
Yeah.
One of the strongest perfumes of all the sasanquas is Setsugeka. It has that beautiful, large, single white flower with the yellow stamens. Clips up really well. So it's been really popular for topiary balls, for espalias, for cloud trees now. So really versatile, but probably the most reason why sasanquas are often planted in the garden is for hedging.
Yeah.
There's no better flowering hedge than a Camellia sasanqua. Just to have that amount of flower, you know, what a joy to look at all the time. You know, great screening to screen out something and beautiful dark green foliage, isn't it? But also, you know, I would think that Paradise Blush would also make an incredible hedge like this too.
Yeah.
What a great hedge. There we go.
Thank you, Andrew. Again, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for coming out. Love talking about camellias.
Yeah.
And we'll do that anytime with you.
Good
Thanks,
man.
mate.
Good to see you, Andrew.